So if you have a Social Security disability case coming up with the judge, let me give you some advice. Besides for getting an attorney, which you should already know, don't try to BS the judge. Don't try to lie. Don't try to pull a quick one over the judge. The judge is going to know. It's much better if you have an attorney who knows the truth and who can explain the circumstances and the situation to the judge. Let's give some examples. Let's say the judge asks you, have you used any cannabis since applying for disability benefits? And you don't want to tell the judge that you've been using cannabis. And you say, who, me? No, not me, no cannabis. But at the same time, on the toxicology reports, on the drug test reports in your medical records, it does show a positive reading for cannabis. How do you present that to the judge? Well, you don't lie, don't BS the judge. Give it over to the attorney, let the attorney work a little bit, and let the attorney explain to the judge, Your Honor, first off, it's prescribed. Second of all, it's under the care and supervision of the doctor. Third off, it's only for anxiety or for sleeping or for pain. And fourth off, it may not even be related to the medical conditions, because if you have a physical condition and not a mental health condition, and the marijuana is not material to the case, then it doesn't even matter. Let's give another example. Have you been on any vacations in the last 2 years since you filed for application benefits? Vacations? Who, me? Oh, no vacations. The problem is that in your medical records, you spoke about with your therapist that you did take a vacation. And when you start taking vacations, judges start thinking, was it by car? Was it by plane? How did you get through the airport? Did you need a wheelchair? What about the luggage? Who carried everything? What about the vacation part? Were you sitting in your hotel room? Or give it over to the attorney. Let the attorney explain the circumstances. Let's give another example of things that a judge may ask you. Have you engaged in any work either on or off the books since applying for disability benefits? Who, me? Work? Oh, no, I'm disabled. I can't work. But then you went ahead and you mentioned to your doctor that you've been doing some handyman work on the side under the table. These types of scenarios create a lot of problems. Maybe you need an attorney to explain, yes, he was working, but he was earning under SGA. It's called an unsuccessful work attempt if you were earning over SGA. And there's a certain amount of months when you can go over SGA as an unsuccessful work attempt. The point being is that attorneys know the law. You need to confide in your attorney what's going on. And then your attorney will use their knowledge, their expertise, and their wisdom to present the information to the judge. So what do you never want to do? You don't want to lie to the judge. What do you want to do? You want to get an attorney to help you. Why do you want to do that? Because you want to be a winner, winner, chicken dinner.